My name's Anora Patel. I'm 16 years of age. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I study in NES International School, Mumbai, in Mulund. Definitely, it's completely changed. I used to think AI was mainly used by big companies or people who were, working for engineering and stuff. But now I realize I can use AI to build a lot of meaningful things that can shape the way the world is. And also it could help people, like for example, learn. And when I use AI, I feel I can use AI not as a user, but as a creator. So I think that's what's changed. I think my most inspiring moment was watching all of these young, wonderful students actually work on their projects, because at such a young age, people are able to build such amazing projects, and that just boosts my confidence. And I feel like if they're able to do it, so can I. And it was very inspiring to listen to everyone pitch their ideas and everything. So my project's a web application, and it is mainly for high school students who are studying in grade 10 for now. It will definitely expand in the future. But as a rough idea, it comes with a little backstory. My teacher, she was a very good person. I really liked her, but I just did not get what she tried to convey to me when it was about some kind of subject like topics. And I feel like it's very important for students to actually understand what they're learning in school, because that's literally the reason why they go. If students are not able to understand, they're going to just keep prompting ChatGPT, and every time they want to generate a new prompt. So I wanted to make a web application where it will contain all the information that students need. Right now it's just focused on biology. Moving forward, it will focus on all the other subjects. So as of now, since I love biology and I can really understand it and I can communicate it well, so I've made that web application where it would have different ideas, and including that there will be a category selection, because every student's not on the same level. And I think that is very important for every professor and people to know that not every student would understand what you're saying. So I added different categories like average, above average and below average, so they can select the category that they like. And another important thing is it should connect to something that they love, because what's the point of studying something if you don't like it? So I wanted to connect it to the hobbies, because I think everyone's personally loving the hobbies that they like. So once you select those categories, it will direct you to a page where it will have all the different concepts that they teach you in biology for grade 10, and it would connect to the hobbies that you like. Let's say I want to learn about protein synthesis and how it connects to, personally I love badminton. So when I'm playing, how does protein synthesis work in my body, and how is it working better when I'm playing? So that's what I wanted to include. Another thing I wanted to include is summarization of research papers, because ChatGPT was summarized in such an AI way and it is completely fake according to me. So I wanted to make a better one where as a student I think I can understand another student's needs better. So I think that's what I added. And another interesting thing I added was I can debate with the AI. So when I give a voice input, it will give me a voice output back. It's definitely based on biology. If it's not, then it will just give you wrong answer, please ask again. And I think it's important for students to learn how to debate, because during science competitions, if you don't know what are the major ways to debate, then what's the point of you participating in the debate? And it enhances your oratory skills as well. So I think that's a very important aspect for students to look at, along with having flashcards, because flashcards for me it has been an important process in my education till now, and it's helped me a lot. So I do have some flashcards in my web application as well that would help them. My mentor is Shail Shah, that's his name, and he has been an outstanding mentor. I've been getting so many errors during my programmations. I don't think I would have been able to solve it without him. He's been sitting with me for 3 hours every single day trying to solve it, and he's giving me his time. And I think that is very valuable, and I acknowledge it a lot. And I'm really grateful for all the help that he's given me to make my web application possible. And I'm really, really thankful to him. So let's just say I wasn't a very techie person before, and I didn't know what I was going to do when I came to this program. I honestly thought I'm just going to sit here, probably watch other people pitch their ideas, and I don't know, just maybe look at how they're doing. And I didn't really think of what I was going to do, but now I feel like everyone is working so hard towards something, and I want to do something as well that will shape the way the world works. And that just given me so much motivation. So I want to move forward with the project that I have. I want to put it on the market, build it up, and talk to more people, engage with even more smarter minds that are available there, and pitch my ideas to them and ensure that I actually make something out of my time here.